Assalamualaikum class 3, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home and taking good care of yourself. So tell me, what's the date today? It's 18th of January 2021 and day is Monday, and you are having your science class with me right now. Who is going to tell me what's the name of the chapter that we are having in discussion these days? Very good. It is related to the solar system. Okay, tell me what we are going to learn in this chapter, solar system. Very good, Ahmad. We will be talking about the sun, planets, earth and about the space. Okay, do you know what we call the scientists who study about the space? Very good, Ramisha. We call them astronauts. What we call them? We call them astronauts. And how many of you want to become an astronaut in future? Who want to explore the planets? Who want to explore more about space? Raise your hand in the comment box and tell me if you want to be an astronaut in future. जैसे हमने प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स के चैप्टर की स्टडी के दौरान देखा था, द स्टडी ऑफ एनिमल्स इज कॉल्ड अबाउट zoology, द स्टडी ऑफ प्लांट्स इज कॉल्ड botany, so as the study of astronauts, the study that astronauts do, the study about the space is called astrology. Okay, so who is going to tell me what we have learned in our previous class of science? Well done, Mustafa. We have talked about the planets. Can you tell your class fellows how many planets do we have in our solar system? Or if you can give the name of all of them, or you can write in the comment box. Very good. We have 8 planets in our solar system. Let me just show it to you. I found a very beautiful chart that is made by one of you in class 3, so I just thought to show it to you. This is what a solar system looks like. We have how many? 8 planets in our solar system: Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. 8 planets are there in the solar system. And we have talked about the name of the planet in which we humans are living. We call it Earth, and the planet that is similar to the Earth is named as Mars. And which one is the biggest planet in solar system? Jupiter. Very good. And which one is very smallest? Mercury. Very good, class 3. You all know the answers. I'm very happy. Then we have also talked that the path on which a planet is moving, we call it orbit. As you are able to see on the whiteboard, I have drawn a planet. Let's suppose it's Earth, and the red line is the path on which that planet is moving. The path on which a planet is moving, we call it orbit. Okay? This is what we have learned in our previous class of science. Today we will be gaining the concept about revolution and rotation of the earth. What we are going to learn? Revolution and rotation of the earth. Alright, first thing first, we will be talking about the revolution of the earth. Revolution is the process. If you just focus on the first diagram that is on your left side, Earth and Sun. Sun is in the center and Earth is moving on its path, and we know that path of the Earth is called its orbit. Okay. So the process or the way by which the Earth is moving all around the earth, this is called revolution of the earth. जब अर्थ सन के अराउंड कंप्लीट सर्कल कंप्लीट कर लेती है, इसको हम कहते हैं रेवोल्यूशन. एक कंप्लीट सर्कल सन के अराउंड. ओके, and to complete that one circle, earth need a time of 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes and 46 seconds. It's not happening in a very short time. So I was telling you about the time of the earth. 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes, 46 seconds that are equal to 1 year. एक साल के बराबर होते हैं जो अर्थ को टाइम लगता है सन के अराउंड सर्कल कंप्लीट करने में. ओके, दैट इज हाउ वी आर गेटिंग अ न्यू ईयर. Remember last time we have 2020 and earth has taken all that circle, earth has completed all that circle by taking that time that I have just written in the block. इतना टाइम कवर करने के बाद we come across 1 year and we are now into a new year 2021. Again earth will have to cover all the distance and then we will be going into 2022. I have written a word leap year. How many of you know about this? What does a leap year mean? Okay, tell me, like, how many days are there in month of February? 28, but sometime 29, right? कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है ना, 29 days होते हैं. After every 3 years it come that February have 29 days. जब फरवरी में 29 डेज होते हैं तो अभी हमारे पास नॉर्मल जो रेगुलर ईयर होता है उसमें 365 डेज होते हैं. एंड द ईयर इन विच फरवरी इज हैविंग 29 डेज, उसमें हमारे पास टोटल डेज कितने हो जाते हैं? 365 में 1 ऐड करें तो क्या हो जाएगा? 366. एंड दिस इज हाउ वी हैव 360 डेज बिकॉज ऑफ 1 मोर डे इन फरवरी. और इस ईयर को जिसमें हमारे पास टोटल डेज 366 होते हैं वी कॉल इट लीप ईयर. And because of this we name that year as a leap year. And what is the reason behind? In that year, in the month of February, there will be 29 days except rather than 28, and when we sum up all the days we will be having 366 days. और जिस ईयर में 366 डेज होते हैं उसको हम लीप ईयर का नाम देते हैं. तो रेवोल्यूशन के बारे में क्या था? When the earth is completing its circle around the sun. Remember, I am using the word around the sun. It takes 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes, 46 seconds and 1, that is equal to 1 year. This is what we call revolution. Now coming to the rotation of the earth, आपको पता है earth अपने axis पे भी rotate करती है. Now what are the axes? Axes are the sides of the earth. If I just show it to you, these are the axes of the earth. These are the axes of the earth. When the earth is spinning on its axis, we come across day and night, and this is what we call rotation of the earth. How it happen? आपने देखा sun तो इस side पे है. Okay, this is sun. Sun is always there, and earth is spinning. When the earth is spinning, the side of the earth that is facing the sun will be having daytime, just the way we are having right now. अभी मॉर्निंग के टाइम सन जो है, अर्थ जो है वो सन को फेस कर रही है, तो हमारे पास डे टाइम है. और इस साइड पे क्या होगा? नाइट टाइम, क्योंकि इस साइड पे सन नहीं है, अर्थ की डायरेक्शन नहीं है. इसीलिए हमारे इस वर्ल्ड में कुछ जगहों पे इस टाइम दिन होता है, कुछ जगहों पे रात होती है. क्यों? जिस जगहों पे रात होती है वहाँ पे अर्थ की जो साइड है वो सन को फेस नहीं कर रही, और जिन जगहों पे डे टाइम होता है दे आर फेसिंग द सन. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल रोटेशन ऑफ द अर्थ. रोटेशन इज व्हेन द अर्थ इज मूविंग ऑन इट्स एक्सिस. अपने एक्सिस पे मूव कर रही होती है, गोल गोल घूम रही होती है, और इसके लिए अर्थ को सिर्फ 1 दिन का टाइम लगता है. Whereas in rotation the earth is moving on its own axis, and when the side of the earth is facing the sun it will be having daytime, and when the side of the earth facing away from the sun it will be having the night time. Okay, so this was the concept about rotation and revolution given on page number 71 of your book. Okay, now we have to do some copy work related to that. So I'm going to write the question on board and you have to do them on the notebook. In question number 1, we have described the sun. I'm not going to write the answer of this question you have to write on your own. How you will be doing that question? You have to write at least 5 lines that how the sun looks to you, what is the shape of the sun, and what you get from the sun. So how you will be describing? You will say the sun look like this, triangle, rectangular, square, sphere, जिस भी shape में आपको नजर आता है, you will be writing that. Then you will write what is the color of the sun, what you get from the sun, and what happen if there will be no sun. So this will be 4 or 5 lines that you are supposed to do on your notebook. आपने question लिखना है, उसके बाद उसकी 4 lines लिखनी है related to the sun, and then you are supposed to draw the shape of the sun as well on the blank page. Okay, so it's very easy. I want you to do that. Question number 2 is what is revolution? So you will be writing in the answer, the earth takes 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes and 46 seconds to travel around the sun. It is called revolution. इसको हम revolution कहते हैं. And while you are writing this question, you have to draw the diagram on your notebook that is given on page number 71 of your book, and the diagram is this one, in which I have marked a tick. This is showing this is earth and this is sun and how it is moving. So this is very necessary for you to draw the diagram, okay, while doing that question. So now going to do question number 2, that is what is rotation. For question number 2, we have what is rotation. You will be writing in the answer, when the earth spins on its axis. This movement of earth is called rotation, and for rotation, earth takes 24 hours to spin on its axis. By the rotation, we get day and night. So it takes 24 hours to earth to spin on its axis, and by this movement of the earth, we got days and night. While in revolution, the earth takes 1 year to complete one circle around the sun. So this is all about today, that what you are supposed to do, the concept about rotation and revolution, then the drawing related to that. Okay, while doing the question of rotation, after writing the answer on the paper, on the line page, you have to draw this diagram, this one. You have to draw this diagram on the blank page. This is telling you about the rotation, okay, and this is for the revolution. These are the 2 diagrams that are related to the revolution and rotation that you people are supposed to do on the notebook. This is all about today that you are supposed to do. Now let us all just revise that what we have learned in our today's class. First, we have discussed what we have learned about the planets, and we have talked about that sun is the huge ball of hot gases that are all the time burning, and sun also has the power to hold the planets with itself, and because of that power, all the planets are present on their own place. Then we have discussed the path on which a planet is moving. We call it orbit. We have 8 planets in our solar system. You people have named them. What are the name of those planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These all are the planets. We have also learned that which one is the smallest planet, which is the biggest, what is the name of our planet, which one is coldest. So this was all that we have learned in our previous lesson, and we are just revising it now. In your today's science class, we have talked about the revolution and rotation. With that, we have also learned about the leap year. In revolution, I have told you, when the earth is moving around the sun, जब earth sun के around move कर रही होती है, वो 2 तरीके से move कर रही होती है. One is spinning on its own axis, अपने इर्द गिर्द move करना, and second is moving around the sun. When the earth is moving around the sun, it takes 365 days to the earth to move around the sun, and 365 days are equal to 1 year. When the earth has completed its 365 days, we have 1 year. And when the earth is spinning on its own axis, it takes 24 hours for that, and we call it rotation. By rotation of the earth we get day and night, and by revolution of the earth we get years. हमें साल के बारे में पता चलता है. So this could be a multiple choice question. What you get by the rotation of the earth? You will be writing days and night, and it can also be like that. How much time earth takes to travel on its own axis? So you people will be saying 24 hours, and for the revolution it takes 1 year. Okay, so this is about the written work and concept that you have gained in your today's science class. Also, there was one question that is describe sun. You have to draw a very beautiful diagram of the sun, and then you will be explaining when you are looking at the sun on the sky, how does it look? Does it look like a sphere? If it's so, then you have to draw the diagram like that. Then you will be writing the color of the sun, how does it look to you, and then you will be telling that what you get from the sun and what happens if there will be no sun on the planet earth. Okay, this is all about your today's science class. And then in your next class of science we will be doing an experiment related to the day and night, how days and night are formed. I'll show you like how you people are able to see the days and how you are able to see the nights. We will be talking about the celestial objects जिसमें asteroids हैं, comets हैं, meteors हैं, meteorites हैं. So this will be the last chapter of your science book. After that we will be revising, and I will also take a few tests from you to do on the notebook. After watching the video you have to read the concept from the book as well. It's not like that कि आप just video देखें, concept gain करें और copy work करें and that's all. No, it's not like that. After watching the video you have to go through the reading. Once you have gained the concept, it will be very easy for you to do the reading. फिर आपको reading बहुत easy लगती है, and you got to know what is written on the book. So I highly recommend you or encourage you to do the reading of the book, whatever the chapter you have learned. Alright, let's ask a few questions from you. Who is going to tell me, as I have revised you the today's lesson, because now I am asking you the questions. So who is going to tell me how much time the earth takes to travel around the sun? Remember, I have used the word around the sun in the path that we call orbit. Hania, will you please tell your class fellows by commenting on the comment box that how much time the earth takes to travel around the sun? Very good. It takes 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes and 46 seconds. And when the earth is moving around the sun and it takes this time, what we call this? It's the revolution of the earth. Very good. Now, if Ibrahim, you have to tell what is rotation. Ibrahim Qayyum, this question is from you. What is rotation? Very good. A moment in which the earth is moving on its own axis, spinning on its own axis. And that spinning take how much time? It takes 24 hours, and by rotation we get days and night. And then we have discussed about the leap year. Who is going to tell me about the leap year? Ephraim. Ephraim, will you please tell what does a leap year mean? Why this year is not a leap year? Or how we get to know this year will be leap year or not? It depends on the month of February. If the February month having 28 days, it will be the regular year. And if the February is having 29 days, we will be having one more day in the total number of the month. So it will be 366 days. And a year with 366 days is called the leap year, the longest year. Okay, and it comes after every 3 years. हमारे पास हर 3 साल के बाद ये साल आता है जिसको हम लीप ईयर कहते हैं. So this is all about today. We have done the concept, we have go through the revision, and then we have sum up our lesson. I have explained to you what you people are supposed to do. Still, if you find any difficulty, you are always welcome to ask me on the comment below. आप यहाँ comment करेंगे, I'll give you the answer, or you can ask in the WhatsApp group. Okay? Take care of yourself, do the work in the neat handwriting, and draw the beautiful diagram and then send it to me. All the very best. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.